Account locked on Vanguard Personal Advisor Fix. You log into Vanguard to check your retirement portfolio or speak with your financial advisor, but suddenly, your account is locked. It feels stressful, but the good news is that there is a quick way to unlock it safely. Most Vanguard accounts lock for one of three reasons: too many failed login attempts, logging in from a new device, or an automatic security flag triggered by suspicious activity. Vanguard takes extra steps to protect accounts because they hold sensitive investment data. To fix this, start at the Vanguard login page and click Forgot Username or Password. Enter your registered email or username, and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Once you reset your password, wait a few minutes and try logging in again. If you still can't get in, clear your browser cache and cookies or use a private window. Sometimes saved login sessions interfere with new security tokens. Still locked? Call Vanguard's customer support using the phone number listed on their website. Their team may verify your identity with security questions or account details before restoring access. To prevent this issue in the future, enable two-factor authentication and make sure your contact information is up to date. Avoid repeated login attempts if you're unsure of your credentials. It's one of the most common triggers for account locks. Most people assume an account lock means a technical error, but here's the truth: it's Vanguard's way of keeping your assets and identity protected. Once you confirm ownership and reset your password, you'll regain full access to your investments and financial tools securely.